My name is Claire Sykes, and this is my current issues speech. Pollution can be described as contamination of air, water, and soil by a contaminant into a natural environment. This is usually done by humans that are harmful to living organisms. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the environment that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms. Did you know 5,000 people die every day as a result of drinking unclean water? Pollution causes 6.3 million deaths a year, whereas AIDS and malaria combined only kill 2.4 million. Pollution matters because it has negative impacts on crucial services of clean air and water, which without we would not have life on Earth, nor would the world exist. Environmental pollution effects can be truly damaging. Some effects of air pollution include asthma, disrupted immune system, malfunction of the central nervous system, and cancer. All types of pollutants have an impact on the living environment. There are many types of environmental pollution, but some of the most important ones include air, water, and soil. Air pollutants are carbon monoxide, ozone, and airborne particles with radioactive pollutants probably among the most destructive ones. Water pollutants include insecticides and herbicides, food processing waste, livestock operations, heavy metals, and chemical waste. Soil pollutants are hydrocarbons and solvents and heavy metals. Trash is the leading cause of pollution and recycling is one of the many ways to stop it. Recycling is the start of decreasing pollution. Benefits of recycling in your community always outweigh the cons. It's easy to recycle. Instead of sitting on the couch playing video games and watching TV, get out and make a trip to the local recycling center. What about next generations? A healthier world means a safer living space for the upcoming generations, as well as animals and their habitats. Keeping our world clean can only benefit the future and give them a healthy life. Not only does recycling or littering affect us as humans, but think about the animals and their habitats and their offspring. The most common air pollutant is big over-the-road truckers and their diesel engines. Ways to decrease air pollution is to begin making more efficient trucks for the environment for travel. Big trucks are used to haul produce, so ways to reduce the need for big trucks would be to grow your own food at home. More efficient cars are being made, such as smart cars. Ways we can make it better. There are currently 48,000 operating utility-scale wind turbines. Wind energy is the cheapest kind of energy, with the national average price of a little over 2 cents per kilowatt hour. Solar panels are also another source of cheap energy. There are now over 200 gigawatts of solar power operating in the U.S. This many gigawatts can power up to 4.6 million U.S. homes. 40% of all new electricity now comes from solar panels. Air is not the only thing that gets polluted. There are also lots of other factors that get polluted too, for example, the soil. The main reason why the soil becomes contaminated is due to the presence of man-made waste. Since our waste is full of chemicals and not found in nature, it leads to the pollution of the soil. The waste produced from nature, such as dead plants and animals, adds fertility to the soil. Chemical utilization has gone up greatly since modern technology has provided us with modern pesticides and fertilizers. These fertilizers are full of chemicals that cannot be broken down by nature. Resulting from this, they seep into the ground and mix with water and reduce the fertility of the soil. Plants absorb these pesticides and decompose. In the decomposition stage, the plants go back into the soil, becoming a part of the land. With this, they cause the soil to be polluted. Environmental pollution is causing lots of distress, not only to humans but also animals, driving the animal species to endangerment and possible extinction. Everything on our planet is interconnected. We all depend on each other. each other's actions and the way we treat natural resources. If one is treated badly, then through cause and effect, naturally, the other resource can be directly affected.